Welcome in Karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar. Today I'm going to make these beautiful soft and moist flour tortillas. So I'm going to start by mixing my sea salt in the water so that it dissolves. But if you're using regular salt, just go ahead and mix it together with your flour. So I'm using about 4 cups of all-purpose flour. That's about 500 grams, which is half a kilo. And for the fat, I'm using Crisco, which is a vegetable shortening, about 3 tablespoons. Now tortillas, mostly they are made with lard. So of course I'm going to substitute this, and if you don't have any kind of shortening, then go ahead and use vegetable oil. All right, so I'm just going to mix this well and then start adding the liquid, which is water, and it's in room temperature. Okay, so we're just going to mix it well. I've started with 1 cup. So I finished the whole cup, and then I added another 1/4 cup. Now you may need more or less. Maybe the difference may be just a teaspoon or so, all right? So that's my 1/4 cup. All right, so now the dough has been formed. Now we need to knead it, and I'm gonna move to the flat surface. You can continue in the bowl or whatever you're using, and also if you want to use a stand mixer, you can go ahead and use a stand mixer as well. All right, it's a very basic recipe and very simple. So I'm just gonna knead this for about 7 to 10 minutes until the dough is really well formed. So I'm just about ready, and I'm going to put this in a bowl for about 20 minutes to rest. I want the glutens to really relax. All right. So after 20 minutes, now I'm ready to start working on my tortillas, and I'm going to divide this into 8 equal portions because I wanted to do large tortillas because I plan to make some quesadillas. So, but you can do 10, you can do 12, even 14. It depends on the size and how thin you make your tortillas, yeah? So I'm just gonna pull and tuck, and then make a disc and keep it just like that. And for the second one, we're just gonna do the same, pull and tuck, and that's it. So I'm just covering this while I get my other equipments. So I'm using, this is a chapati board, which is really convenient. I have not worked with this, I don't know, maybe it's forever. And I've forgotten how convenient this is to use while rolling. And it really worked well with my tortillas because I was able to get them all in one size because I wanted them really nice and thin. They're much better when they're nice and thin, but if you want to make them thick, it's fine. And using this board was really nice and easy. All right, so I need to get one like that. So I've got my pan ready here, and this is how I remove it. And once it's nice and hot, we're just gonna put it there. The heat is kind of medium high, not so high. And then and these don't take much time to cook. Once you start seeing the bubbles, you can flip it over, and then I'm just going to press this, and that's it. It's very simple. And please do join me on my next video, inshallah, where I'll share with you how I use these to make quesadillas. All right, so here are our nice tortillas, and thank you so much. For more recipes, please visit me at Aroma of Zanzibar. You'll find all the ingredients and the measurements in this page and on the description box below.